With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bag contains 3 white, 4 red, and 5 black balls. 2 balls are drawn one after the other without replacement. What is the probability that one is white and the other is black? So what is the given? In the question we have to write. So given that box is equal to the bag contain 3 white, 4 red, and 5 black balls. So the probability is 1 white at 1 white and 1 black. That is probability of first white and second black plus probability of first black and second white. Now we have to put the values. The value will be, the total number of balls will be 12. 3 into 5 by 11 plus the first black ball will be 5 by 12 and the second white ball will be 3 by 11, because it's a 2 balls are drawn one after the other without replacement. So the first white ball will be 3 by 12 and second black will be 5 by 11. The probability of first black, that will be 5 by 12 and the second white will be 3 by 11. Now we have to simplify. 5 multiplied by 3, we got 15. 12 multiplied by 11, we got 132 plus 15, 132. Then we got 30 upon 332. Then 5 by 22 is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.